again to Mr. Ola James TV at Number Sentences. Today we are actually looking at perfect squares, and we are going to be checking that under the squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. But before we go into square and square root, we need to understand what perfect squares are. Perfect squares. So what are perfect squares? Alright, perfect squares are integers that is a square of an integer. Now, this definition is very fantastic. Perfect squares are numbers gotten when a number multiply itself. Now that is it. Perfect square are numbers gotten when a number multiply itself. Okay, and we know the number we have. Okay, example of perfect square. Examples of perfect squares. Let's say we have, our number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So when a number multiplies itself, the result is perfect square. When a number multiplies itself, the result is what? Perfect square. So 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, then let me do this one. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Then we have 3. 3 times 3 gives us 9. We have 4. 4 times 4 gives us 16. We have 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25. We have 6. 6 times 6 will give us 36. And 7. 7 times 7 equals to 49. Then 8. 8 times 8 equals to 64. Then 9. 9 times 9 equals to 81. And 10. 10 times 10 equals to 100. That's exactly what we are saying here. That perfect squares are numbers that is gotten when a number multiplies itself. This is the number here, 1. 1 multiplies itself gives us 1. That means 1 is the perfect square. 2 multiply itself gives us 4. So 4 is a perfect square. Now 3 multiply itself and give us 9. 9 perfect square, like that. Look at it. So the perfect square we have here are just 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, and so on. As many as we want to get, as many as we want. So that is it. That is just perfect square. Thank you. And I believe you can list all the perfect square that you want to get. If you say 14 times 14, that will give us 196. And so on. It has no end. Just know that not all numbers are perfect square, but perfect square exists. It has to be gotten as a product. It must be a product of a particular number. Thank you. Now, perfect square are integers that is square of an integer. Okay, let us look at that one too. It says perfect squares are integers, that is a number, whole numbers, that is a square of an integer. Okay, we know integer as 1 is an integer, so square it. 2 is an integer, square it. 3 is an integer, square it. 4 is an integer, square it. 5 is an integer, square it. 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and so on. So this one means 1 times 1. This one square, actually means 1 times 1. And that is giving us 1. And 2 square gives us 2 times 2. And that is what? 4. 3 squares means 3 times 3. And that will give us 9. And 4 square means 4 times 4. And that will give us 16. And that's how we are going to continue the rest. That's how we are going to continue it. So just imagine we are asked to list all the perfect square between 1 to 100. Okay, we want to list it. Perfect square from 1 to 100, we will be having 1, 2, 3. Am I correct? No, because 2 is never a perfect square and 3 is never a perfect square. Now, when we have listed 1, we have called 1, it says that 1 times 1 is 1. After 1, what number is it? 2. 2 times 2, 4. Then 3. 3 times 3, 9. 4. 4 times 4, 16. And so on. That is how we will continue to do it until we achieve what we are asked to achieve. That is, this 7 times 7 now. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So these are the numbers we are asked to list. These are the numbers we are asked to list. Let's say we are going to list from 100 to what? To 1,000. 100 to 1,000. So we are going to start from 100. 6 is from 100 to 1,000. 9 10 times 10 100. 11 times 11 121. 10 times 13 169. 40 times 14 196. 50 times 15 225. And so on. This is how you continue till you get to the 1,000. And this is what the definition of the first one. I said perfect squares are integer. This integer that is a square of an integer. This integer is the square of this integer. 2 is the square of 4. 9 is the square of 3. 16 is the square of 4. And 25 is the square of 5. 36 is the square of 6. So perfect square is an integer that is the square of another integer. So that is that. We should get that. So now, this is fantastic. I just want to say that with this video we have watched, we have to do a lot under perfect square. This is 1. This is 1. The second one is still coming up and we enjoy it. I promise you are going to enjoy it. Just that you should listen, learn this one, and you will enjoy yourself. Like us, subscribe if you have not done so, and press the join button so that you can get our video as we updated. Thank you. Love you.